This video is to show you how to create value scales in art using paint. For this, you will need a piece of paper, a pen, a paintbrush, a paint palette with one color, white and black. Notice that I have more white than black, so you don't need too much black. Also, a bucket with some water for cleaning your brush. Also useful is some tissue paper. Start by putting your name in the top, and you're going to create 3 lines. Okay. Each time you will start with the pure color. On one line you will gradually add increasing amounts of black to make the color darker. In another line you'll add increasing amounts of white to make it lighter. And in the third one you're going to just use water. These are water-based paints, so you can actually make the color lighter simply by using water. Because you're going to do it 3 times, it's useful to label which one is which. So I'm actually going to probably start with using just water, because then it's nice and clean and I don't have contaminated paint. So put plus water, leave a gap, plus white, and then plus black. So you end up, should have something like this. That's the name, and then on the other side something like that. Okay, now we can start painting. Okay, I'm going to start just by putting in a bit of the pure color. For this I'm using Brilliant Blue, but you can use any color. And now I'm going to just use with my bucket, add a bit of water to it. So I'm going to put the water here, and add the paint, so it's making it a bit lighter, and I put that next to it. And now I'm just going to add more and more water. Each time you add more water, the color will get lighter. See how many different shades you can get. Simply by adding water. That's kind of come up rather similar. Just going to add just a little bit. There's almost no colour on this at all now. So did you see what I just did? I added the water and then I added the paint. That's another way you can do this. Okay, that's my first scale done. Now I'm going to do it mixing blue and white. When you're mixing with white or mixing any colours, you always add the darker colour to the lighter colour. So first I'm going to clean my brush off. Okay, I can see on the paper that it's nice and clean. I'm going to scoop up a bit of white and put it into another mixing tray. Then it's ready for me to use. Okay. Alright, so again, start with the pure colour. Same colour, Brilliant Blue. Got my Brilliant Blue there. Alright, I'm going to scoop up a bit, and I'm going to add, I'm going to mix it with the white. So you'll see, just start off with a little bit of white. See how quickly it changes. A dark color will make a big difference. Again, see how many different shades you can get. I'm going to try adding lots of white now, but oh dear, I've got a bit of blue in there, that's okay. I'm going to scoop in a bit more white here just to really help me out. There we go, that's nice and light. Okay, and last one here, really, really light. Okay, so that's that one. Now, I'm going to clean my brush, ready for the last one. This time we're going to do blue and black. So again, I'm going to scoop up some blue. Okay, don't need much black. A little bit of black goes a very long way. So this time, instead of going lighter, you're going to get it to go darker. Start by just a little bit. Okay. Oops, I forgot to do the pure color. Hang on, clean my brush. Pure color. Okay, now I can do it with a little bit of black. Let's see how dark I can get it. So with just, you think you're limited by having just one color, you're not. You can have huge ranges of color. We call value. Changes from light to dark. That's actually gone very dark. Black is very strong. It's very powerful. So that's almost fully black now. It's not really blue anymore. There. Okay. So now you should have something like this. When you're done, put it on the drying rack to dry, and next lesson we can stick it into your sketchbooks.